Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, a city known for its quiet strength in finance and history. In 2024, a company appeared here without fanfare. Its name was Armada Acquisition Corporation II. To most, it looked like just another SPAC, a special purpose acquisition company, one of those blank check entities that raise capital with the promise of acquiring or merging with a private company. But unlike the hundreds of SPACs that had come and gone before it, this one carried a strange stillness. It moved by the book, yet nothing about it felt ordinary. Beneath the surface, something intricate, something almost engineered was at play. A structure that bridged traditional Wall Street capital with the volatile realm of blockchain-based assets. A bridge that perhaps shouldn't have been built at all. For context, SPACs typically follow a clear life cycle. First, an IPO to raise funds. Then, the money is locked in a trust account while the sponsor searches for a target company. Next, a merger announcement. And finally, the shareholder vote that seals the deal. During this process, the market tends to speculate violently. Prices rise and fall based on rumor, expectation, and emotion. But Armada Acquisition Corporation II was eerily quiet. There was no speculation, no hype, no volatility, only a steady pulse. On May 22, 2025, the company completed its IPO, raising approximately $230 million. Each unit was priced at $10 and roughly 30 million shares were issued. It was, by all accounts, a standard listing, yet the stock price barely moved. No post-listing spike, no speculative rally. It hovered almost stubbornly around $10, as though the number itself were sacred. For a SPAC, that was highly unusual. Normally, excitement or uncertainty sends prices swinging between $9 and $12. Here, there was nothing, a motionless line in a market addicted to movement, and that calm became the first mystery. Then came June 24, 2025, the date of unit separation. As usual, the initial bundled security split into common shares and warrants. This too was procedural. But 4 months later, something happened that would ripple far beyond the SPAC world. In October 2025, Armada announced a planned merger with Evernorth Holdings, a merger valued at $1 billion. At its center, an institutional XRP Treasury. The concept sounded simple but was revolutionary, a digital asset vault for institutional investors. If realized, it would enable major funds and corporations to hold and manage XRP, the digital token associated with Ripple, in a compliant and professionally managed framework. No SPAC had ever tried this. This was not a company merger, it was a structural experiment. It sought to merge Wall Street capital with blockchain liquidity, and that made the entire financial community pause. The cast of backers was equally extraordinary.